Tableau Kitchen and Cafe. Why do we keep coming back? First, napaka-child-friendly niya. Kapag pamilya kayong pupunta dito at may kasama kayong bata, hindi maiinip ang mga kids nyo kasi marami silang activities for them. Second, the drinks and the food. They have superb and appetizing selection of delicious food with big serving. Syempre, gusto natin yon, diba? Lalo na for family. Ito yung paborito namin. Ang Tableau chicken platter, good enough for 3 to 5 persons. Nag-order din kami ng grilled peri-peri pork chops. At napakasarap kasi juicy yung meat niya and bawat kagat mo napaka linamnam. Napaka-rich din ng flavors ng kanilang mga dessert. Tulad nung caramel banana cake a la mode nila. Ang sarap na tingnan, ang sarap pakainin. Third is their excellent customer service and great ambience. So visit all the branches of Tableau Kitchen and Cafe.